Fáilte good programme a Coig Giag. Welcome to programme 15, in which we're going to be looking at giving orders and instructions. Today, I'm in a wood near Killearn, and I'm going to be trying to get through a survival game without getting too much paint all over me.
Iach sin.
Oh, tapaleth.
A bhfuil sibh dé seol?
Chanel me jesol. A bhfuil sibh jesol. Are you ready? A bhfuil sibh jesol. Ha mi jesol anish? Ha mi jesol anish. I'm ready now.
Ynga tri cyd. Dwgig maha!
Shears. Down. Shears. In more normal circumstances, people might ask you to sit down, which is sayiv shears. Sayiv shears.
Gafon Mulishka. Is Misha Mardinik Gunochi?
Ah, Madini Gunochi. Sayiv shears.
Napala. See she is a grai. See she is.
Hallo, Fisker ma.
Esker ma. Kimmer haasje.
Chanel dod a tachbelef. A fel sibh a géri joch.
Ha tapelef. Iske be maar ser tolle.
Gafaf ma iskal. Uske be, agus vodka is tonic, ma ser tolle. Cleva. See if she is.
Tapelef.
Sayiv she is. Sit down. Sayiv she is. And the less formal version, say she is. Sit down. Say she is.
Grossavarov. Talking!
In that last scene, the woman said, Chanel, donna. Not bad. Chanel, donna. She also asked whether her guest wanted a drink. Joch. A bhfuil a géirí joch. Do you want a drink? Eiste bhríist, and look out for the phrases sayiv shears and say shears.
See she is a grai. See she is.
Kimmer haasje.
Chanel dod a tachbelef. A fel sibh a géri joch.
Ha tapelef. Iske be maar ser tolle.
Gafaf ma iskal. Uske be, agus vodka is tonic, ma ser tolle. Cleva. See if she is.
Tapelef.
Furichiv minach. Shalov.
Furichiv minach. Wait a minute. Furichiv minach. Note how the word giving the order always ends in an iv in the polite or plural form. Furichiv, wait. Look out for orders and instructions in Ekenteich, especially Furichiv minach and halav emach. Go out. Halav emach.
Shall we? Shall Mammy? Grissabhadav. Halav amach. Oh, for the minute. Halav.
Hala amach. Go out or get out. Hala amach. Furich minach. Wait a minute. Furich minach. And the more formal halav amach. Go out or get out. Halav amach. Furichiv minach. Wait a minute. Furichiv minach.
Shall we? Shall Mammy? Grissabhadav. Halav amach. Oh, for the minute. Halav. Grissabhadav.
Seo grai.
Oh, Ian! Tapele! Ach, Jeha! Jeha!
Wel ik jullie is gebeuren.
Daddy? Join, hava, gresort, ha mami geri su orange.
Tapele, Dilly. Oh, tapele, Joey.
Slantje wagenrij.
Slaantje weg hier.
Talking. Yes. Hello.
Furihiv on its own just means wait, and halav means go. Here are some more situations, and look out for Furihiv minach and halav amach.
Kimi feskeru. Alles der schöne Mess, halla, grisoscht. Wo schön ne?
Sia tri keer hun.
Hallo, ik wil Anne, ik in thuis.
Ha, voor dich of minute. Ha me dullig qua brein.
Shana Kaipov.
Kerst me ha, voor dich of minute.
In that last scene, to ask who was speaking, the question ko ha a brian was used. Who's speaking? A brian speaking. Ko ha a brian. Who's speaking? Eerste voor eerst.
Hallo, ik wil Anne, ik in thuis.
Ha, voor dich of minute. Ha me dullig qua brein.
Shana Kaipov.
Ik wil u Jeshol.
Ha.
Shoot.
Shuit means go on, and the more polite or plural form is shuitiv.
Ik wil u Jeshol.
Ha.
Shoot me ha.
Wel, ik eer ik allemaal genoeg.
Ganjel, daar wil u heen.
Daniel.
A film maar een television nog.
Wel. Jane Hannum had een film.
Casablanca. Een toilet aan Free Bogart.
Getal.
Wil ik Juri allemaal. Oh, shoot maar. Ik wil u Jeshel en heel.
Ha. Shoot of me ha.
Chiari.
Shuat. Go on, shuat, and the polite or plural form, shuativ. Go on, shuativ.
Have a look at those scenes again and listen out for the orders shuit and shuitiv.
Wil ik Juri allemaal. Oh, shoot maar.
Sia sin.
Shin Stilton. Shaw. Fiach of shin.
Kerst me ha. Ja, ga tell hem sin niet.
Fiach of show me ha.
Ik wil u Jeshel en heel.
Ha. Shoot of me ha.
Chiari.
Trotev.
Troitiv means come on, troitiv, and the less formal, troit. Look out for troitiv and troit in the following scenes.
Troda.
Hamichian, I'm coming. Hamichian.
Bishop Trang.
Ha. Sal.
Oh, a shin malgrai. Gleva. Throw it, Daniel. Show any. Shoot maha. Hala.
Tapeli.
Throwed. Come here. Throw it. And the plural or polite form, throwative. Come here. Throwative.
Well, we made it, and we won, didn't we? Yeah! In that last scene, the word trang, busy, was used. Trang. Each of reached while we go and get cleaned up.
Bishop Trang.
Sal.
Oh, a sin malgrai. Gleva. Throw it, Daniel. Show Anish. Shoot maha. Hala.
Apparently, I now have to drive round an obstacle course in this Jeep. Blindfolded. But I will have the help of my teammates, though. And I hope they know the difference between right and left. Right is Jess and left is Clee. Jess agus Clee.
Kerst me ha? Hashin falaf.
Nisha, gafod do hógad. Jess. Clee. Catch a beludo.
Can you listen?
Jess. Shoot.
Hasho dúlí.
Gafod do hógad. Clee. Jess. Stad.
Furig minach.
Fiach a ríist. Cleva. Cymorst. Stad. Sinead.
Whoa, smashing. Vashit ma. Vashit ma. That was good. Va shit ma.
Dwi'n yn Doris, mae set the holly. Shunny.
Dún and Doris. Shut the door. Look out for Dún and Doris and Drasta. Dún Doris i grau. Show it, Dún and Doris. Tapera.
Dúne núneach go dai, hai fuair.
Díhurste?
Dúne núneach, hai fuair.
Kerst me ha.
Dún and Doris. Close the door. Dún and Doris. The polite or plural form is Dúnev and Doris. Close the door. Dúnev and Doris.
Dún and Doris. Close the door. Dún and Doris. And Dún and Inyak. Close the window. Dún and Inyak. Eishtavariusht. Listen again. Dún Doris i grau. Show it, Dún and Doris. Tapala.
Dúne núneach gyda'i, hai ffwr.
Jehorsche?
Dúne núneach, hai ffwr.
Kerstmaha.
The opposite of Dúnin Doris is Forskel and Doris. Open the door. Forskel and Doris. Look out for Forskel this time, and also the more polite or plural form, Forskluv. Forskluv.
Cymmer hawn diw.
Hag ma, tapala.
Fasgol dy fial. Fasgol. Gle fa.
Foskel and Doris. Foskel and Doris. Tafla.
Foskel and Doris. Open the door. Foskel and Doris. And the polite or plural form is Fosclov and Doris. Open the door. Fosclov and Doris.
Fasgol dy fial. Fasgol.
Foskel and Doris. Foskel and Doris. Tafla.
Foskel and Oris. Foskel and Oris.
Tapelat. Natuurlijk. Kaartje voor je niet al een neus.
Femi gol gan vanke.
Kerst me ha.
Chilik.
Skudje minute.
Another common command you might hear is skurje. Stop it. Skurje. Look out for skurje in these next scenes.
Shoot me ha. Kumorst.
Tapelet. Okay. Chilik.
Hey, skurje.
Natuurlijk. Skudde we.
Skurje. Stop it. Skurje. And the polite or plural form, skurriv. Ye. Skurrivje.
Hey, skurje.
Natuurlijk.
God ma.
Skudje.
Fürich minach. Schonisch. Sicher.
Skudde we.
Natjianshin.
Najianshin. Don't do that. Najianshin. Look out for Najianshin in Ekenteich this time.
Owen, na Janshin, skurje. Alles Dúnin Doris.
Owen. Skudje.
Na jian shin. Don't do that. Na jian shin. The polite or plural form is na jianif shin. Don't do that. Na jianif shin.
Tapali.
Sherbert.
Na jianshin or na jianiv shin. Don't do that. Eerste voor eerst.
Owen, na Janshin, skurje. Alles Dúnin Doris.
Owen. Skudje.
Vami dulich, Daddy.
Sjoet even van mij. Daddy? Vaskel een bochtel, Owen. Tapele, di oin.
Sé du bhé, Eli.
Go mammy.
Cymar.
Ta-da!
Trwyd Eli y grau. Y fel yw giori piwr fig. Wel, ham I dwlich y grau. Ach, chaniel.
Ihaw! O!
Oin, sgwrgie.
Chanel. Ach, ti asio yma ha. Chanel mi tyg sy'n.
Carol, Mrs. Coates.
Mrs. Coates.
Mrs. Coates. Ach, siawdd. Siawdd sio. Ta-da!
You are now qualified to drive the following types of vehicle. Aye. Leif a mi.
Agus. Join. Ha opper ek mami. Ha mami, het alle opper en maroch.
Opper? Houd alle opper? Jel met tiksing.
Ha met alle opper aan de nofisch straat sochi hol. She klerach a hanem.
Yes. Gleef aan, mami. Gleef aan.
Houd alle opper. Een maandag. Aan vergaar. Oh, gleva. Gleva.
Furig me net sira na Jan sin. Sio. Machine. Dilithig sin.
In that last scene, the teacher used the phrase marsin, like that. Marsin.
Machine. Dilithig sin.
Na Jan sin. Scuth Yelan.
Well, Sinead is on a programme show. That's it for this programme. In Nahuris, next time, I'm going to be house hunting and looking at the home. Until then, marsh and leave.
In this programme, we introduced you to Suyif Shias. Suyif Shias. Halav Amach. Halav Amach. Shuadav. Shuadav. Troadav. Troadav. Dún and Doris. Dún and Doris. Foskel and Unyak. Foskel and Unyak. Skur ye. Skur ye. Na Jian Shin. Na Jian Shin.